What is it, babe? Are you alright?
I'm fine.
What happened?
Babe, I said I'm fine. It was just a dream. Just a dream.
A dream?
Yeah. But I'm fine, don't worry.
It's already morning. Let's pray.
You lead.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
In the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
It will never happen. I will burn you alive and burn that shop. I will burn you and burn that shop. Just wait. I will give birth to a child. I am the one eating everything. I beat on you in the cheek. That's wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. It will never happen. I will never allow it. I will never allow. Can I be? No, it will never happen. This is the end. This is the end. Honestly, this is the end. This is the end. Don't wait for me.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't have nylon. Hey, don't worry, come back for your change, okay?
Okay, ma. 250, right?
Yes, 250.
Okay. Fine. Okay.
Baba.
No.
How are you?
Fine.
I know this is weekend, they love washing. Is it soap or detergent? Which one do you want?
No, my auntie said that I should come and buy Pampers.
Okay, for her baby, right?
Yes, ma.
Hello. Hey. That baby is 3 months old.
Yes, ma.
Oh, mini Pampers. That's the size. Hey. This Pampers is 550. Oh. But let me allow you go because of my relationship with her.
Thank you, ma.
My regards to her, okay?
Alright, I'll tell.
Never! I am coming, just wait for me. Wait for me! I am coming! I will burn you alive. Just wait. Yeah.
Hey! Wait. Where is she going to? Hey! This woman is serious this time. Wait. Are you sure she's not going to make any shop? Hey! She's going to kill Mamekene for us. Hey, Luka. Follow her up now and go and separate fights. No. I think I have to go and call her husband. Let me go and tell her husband. Nanyokoro. Yes. War. This is war.
Bianne, come. How are you? Is your mother at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank God. Oh. I've been keeping this money since yesterday. But because I have no chance. Give to your mother. Tell her it's for the levy. Okay.
Thank you, ma.
No, don't tell me thank you. It's not for you. It's for your mother. And it's not for your mother. It's for me. For her to pay for my levy.
And you're telling me thank you. Don't go and eat this money.
I'll give it to her.
Children of nowadays, you're telling me thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you again.
Wait for me. Wait for me. RIP to you. Straight to hellfire. Wait for me. Just wait.
Children of nowadays.
Chimo.
Ugochi, what is it, Ugochi?
Don't worry.
Huh?
Don't worry.
Ugochi,
when I finish,
what is it? What did I do to you now? What did I do? People come! People come! People come! Hey! Ugochi!
Ugochi, why are you running away? I told you, I told you not to get me in this village. You refuse. I get back to a child and you're the one eating the proceeds. And I got my car. Because I did operation though. Because you know I did operation. Somebody else here. God damn killed me. God damn killed me. Hey, come on here. Come on here.
Hey.
Oh, life is sweet, oh, very, very sweet. Enjoyment everywhere. After all, this is how life is supposed to be. Good palm wine, good bush meat, not agriculture. Fam. Ugochi. Where is this woman? Is she not inside that house? Ugamo? Come on. Has this woman gone to the shop without preparing and setting meal for the man of the house, which is me? Okay, Adam, let her go and come back and meet me here.
Nai Okoro! Nai Okoro, I greet you. Hey! Nai Okoro, yeah.
How dare you? Look at your face like a terrified rat.
Sorry, John. Sorry.
Why will you just walk straight into my house? Not just try him, but pick my meat with your dirty hands. Huh?
Sorry, it's true. See, my house was not dirty. I was actually, but since you have said, let me go and wash my house. So, can't take already. Taba. Meka, look. Shh.
Come back here. Come here. What do you want? What brought you here in my house this early morning? Or have you missed your road?
No, it's not possible. Yeah, I can't miss my road. See, I was coming. I was coming from somewhere. Then, I wanted to go and see my friend. Just asleep, I played the game. The game, I know that game was played. That game almost played. So, while I was coming, I was calculating. The game. Nanye, you needed to see
my friend, listen to me. You people of this 21st century, I thought by now, in fact, leave those beating around the bushes, all these periphrases and second badges, and go as the crow flies. Huh? I never knew that you people of 21st century who say you know too much, you can still be deceived. Huh? After what Tottenham did to me in 1975, huh? Even Wimbledon, when John Fashion was still playing there. Yes, how they cut my money. And even East 5 and Dumbarton under the bar. You are still being deceived.
That's the same thing.
But please, go straight to the main point.
Let me go straight. The straight I want to go is to tell you that Barcelona cut my sleep. While I was thinking about that sleep, your wife came. So it's about your wife I came. It's about your wife.
What happened to my wife? I mean, I'm not your mate. Are you mad or something? Hey. Look, you are trying to hide the main reason why you come to my house. Or have you just come to talk to me about my wife?
See, stop shouting. You see, when you shout like this, I miss.
Oh, I am shouting.
Sorry, sir.
Okay.
See, I was coming. On my way coming, I was calculating my lost game and the sleep I caught. So I saw your wife. Your wife was coming like a thriller. A tipper that has no break.
It's my wife. I know. That is, go ahead.
Hey, thank God you know. And so, as she was coming, I saw her, she was shouting. She was coming. I went to hid myself somewhere for my head's sake. Hey, but I know I heard her. She was saying, Mame Kene, I will scatter Mame Kene. I will set Mame Kene ablaze. She was having fuel on her hand. She was carrying fuel. I will set, I said, good man. It's not good. I should not sit and watch that kind of thing happen. I say, let me rush and come and tell you the husband so you can intervene.
Are you sure of what you are saying? Are you serious?
Am I stupid?
So where is she now?
On a mission now. Probably she must have accomplished the mission, or scatteredly accomplished, or scatteredly on a mission, or excessively on a mission.
Presently, where is she now?
She's scattering by now. Must have destroyed things. And that's the problem. Makawai now. Are you? Somebody brought information. You are being very wicked. Carried meat and power and you left your eyeglass. Now you would have carried both table now. Since you want to carry. All these things is not wickedness. Somebody brought information that will lead you people to prison. If I did not come and tell you now, so probably somehow, something would have scattered. Now carry it.
Don't tell me. I thought that place was strong. Don't take my
Thank you.
Yeah. Come, just come out. Come out. Let me give it to you. Yeah. You don't want to come out. I will rush you there now. I will rush you.
Danger, woman. Cross this line.
Come on, you are drawing line for me.
Yes. Yes,
you are drawing line for me.
Oh, yes.
You are drawing line for me.
Oh, yes.
You are drawing line for me. Okay, you are drawing line for me. Hey!
Yes.
Hey, back way. Stop it. Stop it.
Cross it and see the man in me.
Back way, you are drawing line for me. Hey, back way. Don't try it.
I cannot do anything.
Back way, don't try it.
I'm not running for you. I'm running because I don't want to kill somebody. I don't want to kill somebody.
Back way, be careful.
It's there.
Back way, be careful.
You can't do anything.
You just come.
You can't do anything.
Come out! You can see?
Not out.
If you pass
You can see? About your sir. Hey, Megini.
I got no mind.
Ewo. You can see? You answered me. You went on in Azam.
Come.
Hey!
Ugochi, I'm singing RIP for you. Remember you told me RIP. I will give it back to you now. If you cross here, you will die. You know what?
You are stretching your hand like this for me. Hey! I want now. You are doing like this for me.
Hey, look, where is my wife? I went to Nkechi's shop where you say she went to Bon. I did not see her. Then where is she?
How will I know now? I don't know. That was where I heard her say she's going to. So,
make sure this is not going to be false witness. I won't take it with you.
Me, false witness.
Where is she then?
Hey!
Hey, what?
Hey! Mazembakwe's house.
Mazembakwe's
house. Oh, sister, run,
let's go, let's go.
No, I'm not going anywhere, please. When you were leaving, did you not carry your meat? Now you want me to follow you? I'm not going anywhere.
Leave that one. You are one of the youth of the able-bodied youth of this community. Let's go.
So now you knew I was youth, but when you got to meet, you carried your meat. You didn't know I was youth.
Don't worry, we'll settle that after now. Let us go. Let us go. Somebody will die. Let us go.
Okay. I'll go now. I'll go after you. I'll be behind you. Be going now. Mazim Mbakwe is an elder. You are an elder. Be going.
Hey, look, come now. Hey, look,
your wife will burn somebody's house, so be going now.
What is wrong with you?
Hey, pick up. What's the stupid? Go ask me. Don't ask me that kind of question.
My question is stupid.
Yes, your question is stupid.
Jesus Christ.
It's stupid. Why are you asking me such question when you know exactly what is going on?
Nothing is happening. What have I done to you? You have threatened to kill me. Tell me exactly what I have done so that I will know where I have gone wrong.
Look, your wife has committed a serious crime for coming to my own compound to fight my wife. The other day, she went to the store, wanted to set her ablaze there. Now let her tell us what is the problem.
Put down that first. Put down.
What peace are you talking about, Mbakwe? What peace are you talking about? Over my dead body, I will rather die. That peace already.
What is wrong with you?
Don't call my name. Don't call my name. Don't call my name. Don't call my name at all. Don't call my name.
I'm not running because of you. Look, me, I don't want to kill
somebody. No.
Let's leave here.
To where?
Let's leave this place now.
Leave here.
I said let us leave.
I'm not going anywhere.
If you are not going anywhere and you continue fighting, whatever comes out of it, see to it. You are not
whatever.
Whatever comes out of it, don't return to that house.
That's it. That's the man you are, yes.
Do.
Where are you going to? Come now.
Come,
let me beat you. Nonsense. Come and fight. Come now.
It's terrible.
Come and fight.
What kind of woman is this?
Chimo. My thank God she's gone. This woman, very stubborn. She's very strong.
I saw the way you were using the machete to defend. I knew you wouldn't have got that. Hi. Now, do you know that I was the one who ran, went and called Mazi Okoro, and the wife wanted to kill your wife?
It's not true. She wouldn't have killed me.
Huh? The wife was shouting, I will kill Nkechi, I will set everywhere ablaze. I knew you're a good man. I have to run straight. Mazi Okoro, come, your wife want to kill somebody. If not, your wife would have died and she would have gone to jail.
No, I ran because I don't want to kill somebody. It's not like I am scared of Gochi.
Find the boys and something. Anything for the boys. For passing good information.
What did you do?
Ose?
No, what did you do?
You don't know what I did to save you.
You saved who?
Madam, Maroke is a bankata. Nah.
Because I don't want to kill somebody.
Hey!
No! Come and take something! Come and take something! Don't stupid man. Leave me alone. I'm not fear. Useless thing. You don't have sense. I know it. I knew it from the starting. You're not responsible.
Ugochi, I am. Huh? Ugochi, please now.
Look at this man. Why are you following me up and down? What is your problem?
Please, Granny, please, Ugon, please. Eh? Please now. Ugon, please. You need you back. We still want you.
I don't need you in my life again. Leave me. Let me go to Okoro. Leave me alone. That is why I left you. You don't have sense. It is senseless smoking.
I have
Leave
sense.
me. You don't have.
I do.
You don't have.
Please now. Ugon, please now. Please. Please. Tell your child now. For the sake of your child, please come back.
Gumba, which child?
Now.
Which child? I'm not seeing any child here. Gumba, leave me alone. I won't say it again. Leave me alone. Stay away from me. Don't touch me again. Don't even try it. Don't touch me again. Please. Gumba, leave me alone. You dare lay your filthy hands on my body.
Please.
If you try it again, I am going to scream. And believe me, you will not like the outcome of it. Try me.
You?
Dave! Onyaro! Dave! Diva! Help me! Diva! Onyoshi! Help!
Babe.
Babe.
Hi. I've been watching you for a while now. I don't like your mood. Are you alright?
Babe, I'm fine. I mean, how do you expect my mood to be? You know I'm pregnant. I'm not supposed to be happy at all times. You know, I always have mood swing, always. I just want to deliver and be free.
I understand. And of course the doctors confirmed that you'll be free in a week or 2 weeks' time.
I honestly cannot wait. I'm tired.
Don't worry, just wait, okay? So, how do you want your okra? I just pour water into the pot now.
Okay, babe. Just make it the usual way, but don't add oil.
How do you expect me not to put oil inside the soup?
Maybe I want purely okra. I don't want oil, I don't want Maggi. Just the normal stockfish or give away and meat. Just do it that way.
Oh well, I understand that pregnancy cravings.
Yeah.
Why don't you just come over to the kitchen and inspect me do the cooking?
Babe, I'll just have this child prematurely in that kitchen. I just feel like vomiting each time I come into the kitchen. Now it irritates me. I can't be there, please.
That's alright. So you're sure you don't want oil, even granite oil?
Granite again?
Granite oil?
Share more about nature. Baby, which one is granite oil? Who puts granite oil in okra soup?
I just wanted to be sure you don't want oil at all in the soup.
Don't oil anything or was it in KL? That means I'm not going to eat today.
Don't worry, the food will be ready soon, okay?
I cannot wait. But before you make the soup, I think I want ice cream.
I should go get ice cream for you now.
Maybe when you put the meat on fire, you get ice cream. If you're driving down, there's this that junction I normally buy my stuff. You get parfait for me too. Then you come back, you now make your crumbs. So
it's alright.
Okay.
I'll go get them now.
Thank you. I love you, baby.
I love you too. Come here.
Please, no.
Yes,
I
will.
Are you just asking me questions? Or maybe you're pretending as if you don't know? Anyway, the Igwe told me to tell him that he wants to see your husband. Not just your husband, but the both of you. Eh? Now, listen. See, let me tell you. I have a message for you. And that message reads, that when I am done dealing with you, you will only know that you are just a woman. Rubbish.
Hey! Come back here. Stand there. What do you mean? You finish addressing me. You want to go like that? You have come to plug guava. You want to go and sell mango. Walk. You are looking for money. Which money are you looking for? You are hitting this stick on the ground for who? For your mother. I don't blame you. You are looking for money. Look at what you are wearing. Your beard is even toothless. And off here, you cannot even buy good shoe. You are waiting for my money to come and buy shoe. You are an idiot. Say, Papa. I'll finish with you. You can go. You're standing there.
You're ranting.
Yeah, waiting for me.
That's not Quran here.
What are you saying?
That's not Quran here.
Are you waiting for me? I'm asking you.
You are a
want me to
temptation.
hide you? Do you want me to hide you?
You are a temptation.
I'm not fear. Idiot. Look at your walking stick. You are looking for money to buy here and buy wheat. Who gave you this material? You stole it. I don't even trust you. I'm not fear. Look at how it's working. You are suffering from kwachoko or chokokwa. I'm not fear. Come on, get money. Yeah. Okoro? Hey.
I cannot explain
So this man did not. Okoro!
Cause no one will understand.
So that was what happened, oh my dear.
My friend, I told you I don't want to hear anything about that woman. Why would she go fighting your wife? Is she mad? I hope she didn't injure her.
How come? I stopped her family.
That's wonderful. I don't want even to hear about that. I'm more concerned about my daughter who is about to put to bed now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, it's okay. It's okay. I'll forget about it.
Yes, forget about it. I want you to forget about it. Take the case to the police. Indicate that she's threatening the life of your wife. You understand? I am in support of it.
It's all right. That's exactly what I will do. I will surely do that.
Let me get you something. Well, you just came and I didn't give you anything.
Well,
and this color.
I wasn't too after that because what brought me here was scratch.
I know.
You didn't call me. Eh? You didn't do well at all. Eh? We would have jointly dealt with that witch. Eh? You didn't do well at all, my friend. You did not. No.
It did not come. It did not come to my mind. I would have called you. Don't be angry.
Now listen. Don't give that woman a breathing space. Eh? She is already reaping where she did not sow. Your daughter is taking care of her. Eh? Feeding her. Stocking her house with provisions and giving her allowances. Your daughter and her husband are taking care of her, and look at you here. Eh? Buying things and borrowing things on credit. Eh? Look at your shop. Coming down every day. And you're here. Haba! Gochi! Shine your eyes, Joe. Agnes, not until I kill Nkechi, I will not rest. Yes, I'm telling you. I will squeeze the life out of that woman. Nkechi is reaping where she did not sow. Don't worry, just calm down. Just calm down. I will catch her and I will put. You just Agnes, just calm down. Don't worry. Do you know the other day, I saw this keke driving towards her house with 3 bags of rice. Do you know what 3 bags of rice means in present day? In this present economy.
What did you say?
Hey! And I heard her on the phone thanking your daughter for the bags of rice and also the money she included. And you're here. Now that woman is reaping where she did not sow. Shine your eyes. I said, did you hear me well? Shine your eyes. Hey! Alwe me. A child that I carried in my womb for 9 months. That I gave birth to. You see that thing she put in my daughter's eye? That thing will clear fiam. It will wipe off one fine day. I have suffered. Because she is reaping from where she did not sow. Don't worry. I named that girl Mirabel. Mimi, Nwoma, fine baby. That your daughter is something else. Mimi.
Okay. No problem. No problem. Nkechi, I am coming.
Hey! I moved this, babe. I moved it.
See what you do here now. Get
Ah,
up. Are you alright? What?
Baby.
The baby's coming. Omemboji! Babe, the baby's coming. Omemboji! Omemboji! Come.
You might be right there. Where you might be there? Where you there? Help her. Where are
Hey, Besmo. Hi. What is it?
It's my wife.
Your wife?
Yeah, she's been in here for the past 2 hours. I don't know what's going on. I'm confused, bro.
Okay, relax. Just let the doctor do their job. Okay, they'll get back to you.
How the hell do you expect me to relax? Her water broke in the car, and since we got here, they've not said a word to me. I don't know what's going on in there. I don't know if she's giving birth or something's about to happen.
Desmond, relax. Calm down, okay? It is normal for you to feel this way, especially when your wife is giving birth for the very first time and you're about to be a father for the very first time, okay? So relax, okay? They will get back to you. Just let them be. Desmond, come this way. I told you, relax. And by the way, have you tried reaching out to our father?
Oh yes, that's true. I'll call them right away.
Okay, excuse me.
Oh, my in-law. Hello. I was just thinking of the two of you when you're my daughter has put to bed. A bouncing baby girl. Hey, thank God. I am now a grandfather. I am so happy. Oh. Is she there with you? Okay, no problem. I will talk with her later. So I can now sit with my friend Mbakwe and drink palm wine. I am now a grandfather.
Bring your face and let me add more powder to it. It's not enough.
It's enough, it's enough. You see, I am the happiest man on this earth. Today is the happiest day of my life.
Of course. I share in your joy, my good friend. But this is the kind of news we should continue to hear on a daily basis.
Let us drink and be merry. You see, there's nothing in this life. Nothing.
What are you telling me?
There's not this life. Nothing more than you.
Add it in the hair.
Yes,
my friend.
That is the truth.
Let me test it. It's a very good one. Where did they bring this one from? It's like the toppest part of it.
I always have fresh wine every morning.
That's good. You see, this is the Mirabelle of yesterday. That small girl. She's now a model. Is that not the girl of yesterday who used to cry with cathedral running after you?
Running after me everywhere I went, she would want to go.
That's the model we have celebrated now.
And today, she has made me a grandfather.
Oh, you can say that again.
Mbakwe, I now have a grandchild.
You have just joined our club now. You think it's easy to grow this white beard?
I've been wondering, I say, what am I using this white beard
now
for? And I'm not a grandfather.
Now you can be inculcated into the grandfather.
Yes. Introduce me into what is it called?
Emporium.
Okay, I am now initiated into the emporium of the grandfathers.
That is the guy you're talking. Let's toast to it. Good.
Don't mind me.
Hi, honey.
Yeah, we're back home.
Leave this baby. You're late for work.
No, don't worry about work, baby. What about plans for Omugo?
Okay, I already spoke to my father about that. He's going to help me sort things out.
Your father?
Yes, honey.
I don't understand. Or what about your mother?
We are saying the same thing. He's going to help me speak to my mother, arrange things for her to come around.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh. Now I get. I just wanted to be pre-informed so I could get myself ready.
Yeah, of course.
I want to marry my child.
No. Go to work.
Darling, let me play with my child, please. What do you mean by that?
She's sleeping. Don't wake her. Yeah. Can you see? Oh, she's going to cry now.
She is not. I am your daddy.
Hold on, babe.
Alright? I am your daddy. You don't have to cry.
Hi, Daddy.
Look at that nose.
Papa, I'm fine now. Papa, I'm just tired. I'm so weak. I can't wait for her. Yes, please help me talk to her. I need her around right now. I can't do things myself. I feel like sleeping and letting another person do the whole job for me.
Oh, shit.
My husband, he's fine. He's just about to go out, helping me to nurse the baby. He doesn't want to go to work. He's just so, attached to, fathers and their girl child. Yeah, thank you so much. I'll be waiting. I'm going, bye-bye. I give you my baby this man. Go to work. You have a lot. You're not going.
Yes.
Maybe I should just leave you here and, go and have some rest. By the time you realize yourself.
Go ahead.
I should go?
Ahead, my love. Go ahead.
Why do you know they love me like this? Don't carry my love they keep picking at me.
What are you saying? You mean I don't love you back?
I don't understand.
Huh?
I remember the last time you showed me this kind of love.
Let me show my new baby this love, please. She needs it.
I have told you, Gochi. I have told you. You are going to give me that money. It is 3,000 naira. Give it to me. I said give it to me.
Why are you behaving like this? Why are you doing this? You and I know very well that I've said that I don't have money, to pay for that hen. And you want to force me against my wish? Why?
If you are afraid of them, not them, you will give it to me. I use my hand and give it to them. Give it to me.
You say, I should give it to you.
Yes.
Why are you doing this? Why? What you are doing is wrong. It's not correct. It's wrong.
Whether it is wrong or not, what I know is that before I come back, you go inside my room and keep 3,000 naira. Because I don't want the elders to come here and start disturbing me. 3,000 naira.
It's not fair. It's not fair.
Whether it's fair or not, you are going to give it to me. Because what I say in this house, it holds water. Because I am the man of the... I'm the man of the... You no longer talk like a parrot. I expect you to complete a man of the house. Anyway, what is important is that before I come back, let me say 3,000 in my room.
What kind of human being is this? Eh? What kind of person is this? This man knows that money is the only cash that I have, and he wants me to give it to him. Never. Shish. Amen.
Hey, see, I want to marry in this village, eh? Why you behaving like this now?
Marry me? Yes. No, I'm still schooling. I don't want to marry now. Biko.
Yeah. Okay, let's do boyfriend and girlfriend.
No.
Okay, if boyfriend and girlfriend will not work, let's small time we'll collect. Natural wajai we'll collect small.
Are you normal? What is that?
The thing is, see, anytime I see you, I just see you. Look at how you look at God just gave you good shape. You are plump. If they stand you on escape plump, you are plump. See, there are many girls in this village that don't have what God has given to you. And you need a man, a very strong man like me, that will be defending you outside, inside. And by the grace of God, I will make it.
Please. I don't really know what you're talking about, okay? I want to go home. What am I even doing with you here? Please.
Just like that.
Let's go.
Okay, let's just discuss. Thank God she's telling you that I will make it. I know I will make it in this village. And once I make it, God.
Yes, you can sing it. You can sing it again and again. The gods have done it, my dear.
What did
They've done it again.
What did they do?
Our daughter has given birth to her.
Chelu?
Yes.
Our daughter Mirabel.
Oh, yes.
Has given birth?
Oh, yes.
Hey! Baby what?
Has given birth to a bouncing baby girl.
Wait. Is that the reason behind my happiness? I mean, I've been singing and dancing since morning.
Oh, yes. Didn't you see the way I was coming? Staggering and enjoying because we've been drinking and enjoying ourselves.
Is that the only way to express your happiness?
How else do you expect it? Oh, this is wonderful. Give it again.
Don't worry. Let me go and call her and congratulate her now.
Please do. And make sure you greet her for me too. No, let me join you.
Easy money.
Okay. I'm going to give it to the elders. By so doing, I might have succeeded in laundering the image of this family which you have desecrated by fighting in the compound. I mean, in the village arena. You see, after all, I did not send you to go there and fight.
Now, what you are doing is no good. You know this is my business money. This is my last cash. You are taking it away. Conveniently, comfortably.
How does it concern me? Did I send you to fight? After that, it's none of my business. Or in Cambridge, we used to see, it's none of my endeavor. It's none of my concern.
But you should have used your own money to pay now. Eh? You know this is my business money. You should have used your own to pay. It's not good though.
Tell the birds. Look at them. Kite. Tell them. Come here.
Papa, good afternoon. Mama, good afternoon.
Have you not seen me? I said, come back here.
Papa, now I've greeted you. Now I've greeted you. Papa, I'm not in the mood this afternoon. My head is hot. My head is hot.
Okay. Till I come back. I don't have your time now. Eh? You see what you're training? You see it? Like mother, like daughter. Have you seen it? Let me come back.
That money is my business money. Oh. And you are going with it comfortably. It's my business money. Oh.
At least 3 widows. You say I use it as widows. 3,000.
Hi.
Mama, I just enter kitchen now. There is no food. I'm hungry. Oh. My intestine is breaking. I'm hungry.
Very, very stupid. You are stupid. Are you mad? You're just coming back from school. You have not even removed your uniform. You're coming here to tell me that you are hungry. Oh, my friend, I'm making see? Are you complete? I'm asking you.
Mama, beg.
My friend, will you shut up? Just go inside now and get Jellica and go and fetch water. And make sure you come to the store in the evening. I've told you.
Mama, that I should go to the store. I should go and fetch water. Mama, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I must eat. I must eat before I go anywhere. I'm not doing anything. You should go to which store? I've not even relaxed. I've not even bathed. I've not even rested. I should go to. I'm not going to any store. I want to eat.
Very stupid. You are very, very stupid. If I use the paper of what is happening to me now, you will not be complete.
I'm not going anywhere. Mama, I'm not going anywhere. I want to eat, I beg. I'm not going. Oh!
You are shouting at me or what? No, I want to know.
Mama, please. I'm having serious headache. I'm having serious headache. School was tough today. I'm having
I even have one question from you. Wait. You have not told me how you managed to cross into my bag and steal my money. You have not told me. I'm talking to you. I will
Leave me alone. Mama, leave me. I don't want problem. Leave me alone.
Please.
I'm not going anywhere.
You went into my bag and collected money and you are renting this job. You came back from school. You are walking like a sack of curry. Idiot. I know fear. You want to eat. Food kill you there. Come back here, isn't it? Where are you going?
Let me see who will force me to do what I don't want to do. Let me see who will force me to do what I don't want to do.
You are scratching your hand on me. Idiot. Look at that. I told you that skirt you are wearing will tear one day. Look at it. There is even half yard. I bought 2 yards for you to sew uniform. You want to sew 1 yard and you are coming back here. Don't worry. I will get you. Idiot. Your father is taking my 3,000 naira away. That one is even, baby. You are coming to ask for food.
You're very special. Very, very special.
Wow. Nah, leave me, Jerry. That's how you go about telling other women the same thing. I'm very special now.
No. It's only you without you no other person. Huh?
Only me.
After seeing you, I begin to look for another person.
Now, what about your wife at home?
You are very funny. That old cargo. Forget about her. Her duty is just to feed me. And after feeding me, she will supply me with money to take care of my baby.
Hey! I like that one.
Let us go to your house now so that you can rub my chest. You know I do enjoy it.
No, I know. My kids are back from school already. You did not come in the morning as you promised.
Well, I was in a meeting. Don't mind me about all these
not my fault.
consequent meeting here and there. Eh? I'm very sorry. I'm sorry. So what do we do now?
Now we'll see in the evening. Now what about the 3,000 I asked you for?
That one, it's not a big deal, man. When I come, I will give you, even if you want 5 or double it, that's 6,000 or even 7, because 7 is a spiritual number.
And that one is not a problem until you come in the evening. Money for and back for ground. If you give me the money.
Don't worry, I know you are modus operandi. Dora.
I've heard you, my very good friend.
All right.
You see, you know what? Mirabelle is very much like a daughter to us.
Yes, you know that.
My family and yours are almost one. They are so different. We relate easily. There is nothing also that your family will ask from us that we will reject. It's not possible.
That I know.
So whatever you are asking for my wife to do, she will definitely not decline. She will do anything possible to make sure these things go accordingly.
Mbakwe, my
so
friend.
You don't worry. She will do exactly what I have said. She will do exactly what I said.
Thank you so much. I am very, very grateful.
You don't need to bother yourself about that. Am I not the man in charge?
You are the man of the
I am the man on ground now. It is whatever I say that holds. I will tell her about it immediately, and she will go on preparing. The usual thing. Because this is what we have been praying for.
Yes, that's what we'll be praying for.
That's it.
I'll let my daughter know about it.
Tell her.
I'll call her.
Let her know that Mama Ekene is coming to do the omugwo for her. Straight away. Tell her.
My friend. Thank you so much.
We'll do it for her.
What can I do without you?
Ask me now. Huh?
Let me see you.
Go ahead, my dear.
Thank you, correct girl. No start to like you. Carry food, go and give me. You be my G. Thank you.
Ezine, are you still smoking? I thought I begged you to stop smoking in their end.
I wish kind yama talk can be that one. Because they carry food, can't give me now. I don't do pressure. I taste smoking. I carry your food, they go now.
You like changing talks. You know that is not what I actually meant.
I hear you.
See, my elder brothers really want me never to be seen around you, okay? Yeah, so I need to start going on. I don't want him to see us together. Bring my food flask to school tomorrow.
Where you dey go?
Home.
Virgin girl. Come take some more.
Alright, just get
I know say you go like I don't dey do shakara. I know say you go like I dey hungry you since. You girl don't save me. Since why I just dey hunger wan kill me, I be like orphan. But this girl, this girl thinks she's a virgin. She just dey do like say she be virgin. Then me Ezine be the bad girl. But no wahala. Na I call na I blame. Now I blame for all this nonsense and I go rugged the guy matter. I mean, I be like orphan. They chop food, they beg food for road. Too sweet though. Hunger won't kill me. You smoke to enter.
I cannot.
Yes, so I'm enjoying this weather with my grandchild.
Thank you so much for everything you do for me. I'm so grateful.
Why are you thanking me?
Why won't I?
I'm performing my duty as a mother.
Thank you. What about the village people? I hope everybody.
They are all fine. They are all fine.
And I hope you got my favorite.
I brought a whole lot. I hope this baby is talking very well.
I know that's what you want. Come back and then you're like,
all right. Hey.